few things such as paper.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you doing on this wonderful Sunday evening? Can we get a couple of highs?
Hi.
Hello, hello, hello.
My mother is here with me.
Yay!
Yay.
So, hi, I see someone live here. Hi. Welcome to another fun-filled afternoon with Fairy Create.
Yay.
Yay! My name is Simrat and I have with me today here
My name is Ayansh.
Ayansh. Hi Ayansh, welcome here and we're so happy to have you.
Yay.
And I see you have your two little friends also here. Can you introduce them?
Okay. This is
Froggy.
Froggy, and his name is Shelly.
His name is, we have Shelly and we have Froggy because we have a very special theme for today. You also see we have these cute little badges that we are wearing today.
Yes.
Can you see those badges? Yay! Thank you for sharing, Ayansh. So these badges are for a very special day which was there yesterday. Do you know what day what that was? Do you know what day that was, Ayansh? It was, I will tell you, it was the World Environment Day yesterday. So a day where we pledge and we do things for our environment. We should do it all through 365 days. But yesterday was one day which was specially dedicated to that. And in our craft also today, we will be featuring the World Environment Day special. Hi Ashwini.
Hi.
So, Ayansh, we introduced ourselves, we introduced Fairy Crates, but we didn't tell them what we are making today.
Oh, we are making my banner, Ayansh, with light dark blue color.
Yay, we are making a nameplate for Ayansh. And Ayansh, should we tell them what all material we need for that nameplate?
We need clay.
We need clay, we need Rangila clay, we need Fevicol,
We need rollers.
and we need Fevicol A+.
We also need paint.
You can also use pins, and we need scissors.
And we need sand, blue and normal sand.
Hooray! And okay, Shelly and Froggy will rest here with you. And we also need old boxes and chart paper.
And old boxes full of stuff.
Yay! So what we are going to do is, we are going to now use all this wonderful material and make a nameplate.
For me.
Yay! And today our nameplate is going to be focused on our beautiful ocean life.
Yay.
Why? Because in this World Environment Day today, we are focusing on ocean life as a theme. Because see, 70% of our earth is covered with ocean. So today our theme is dedicated to preserving and saving them. So, should we get started? What do you say?
Yay!
Yes! So we're getting started now.
Yay.
So you take any old box and you take a plate. You can use any shape, but you're taking circle. So you draw a circle, and you draw a circle and you cut that circle out.
I want to draw the circle with blue since that's the color of the water.
Yes, so we've already drawn and cutted the circles. What we are going to do is, Ayansh, will you help me?
Yes.
We'll use Fevicol and we will join the circle on the cardboard.
Yay.
Yay.
Along
So can
the
you-
way, I'll be spelling my name so we can write it.
Yay!
My first letter is A, so we have to write A.
Yay! So we are putting Fevicol on our big cardboard round which we have cut, and we are going to,
And Mama, I was doing it.
okay, I'll help you with it. Can you paste the big chart paper circle here? Make sure you join the edges. Wonderful. You want to show everyone what you made?
Yay! It's like the earth but with nothing.
Yay! It's a round shape, a shape that resembles our
Oh.
dear Earth.
I love my earth.
We love our Earth.
Yay.
Yay! And then what we are going to do is we have our circle ready. In the below part of the circle, we will have the water theme, and then we'll have a beautiful sun and a name on top. So, should we spread? I'll make a line for you. You can use this line, and below this you can just spread all the Fevicol. Till the time my answer is doing that, I will tell you that you can also take Rangila paints and you can paint the same thing also. If you don't have a clay handy, you can paint it, or you can also use blue chart paper and you can cut small pieces and you can paste them as well. Beautiful, wonderful. So on the below part, we'll cover it with a lot of water, and we're going to use our sand as a ocean theme. Till then, we'll also tell you something, that we will open and keep our Rangila clay ready. This is a creative clay by Rangila, and this theme is The Boy Who Cried Wolf. And I'll tell you, I was so impressed with this packing. See, they have a roller pane here, and they have the story, The Boy Who Cried Wolf. They have a tree, they have a wolf, and they have a sheep in it. And you know what? They also have the story printed on the back. So you can read the story and you can make this theme of the story with the moles. Isn't that wonderful?
But sadly, we cannot use this because we already bought other clay packets
Yes.
a few days, 2 days ago, and now we're gonna use these guys.
Yeah, so we're just unboxing them, and see we have this beautiful Rangila
I'm gonna be using
in
this one, and Mama's gonna be using this one.
Yay, that's so nice. And we'll just add some sand to it. Ayansh, will you please put some sand on it? So our
I'll help
base
with
is
blue.
ready.
I'll help with blue.
Okay, I'll put yellow. So our base is ready. We're just going to put some sand sprinkle on it. Just sprinkle it slowly, okay? Also, kids, I'll give you a tip. Always keep a rag cloth handy so that whenever your hands get a little dirty, you can quickly wipe them out. You can keep the clay into little balls, and we can keep them ready for our cute little
Great, can you start?
animals.
Can you
You
start?
start. You start this. You
Okay.
start with this. You start with this. You do this. Yay! Yay! It is such a fun feeling working on this clay, isn't it, Yanch?
Yes.
And this sand.
It feels like we are actually drawing with colors such as green crayon and blue crayons and yellow crayons and blue crayons and cyan colors. It feels just like that.
It feels just like drawing on crayons.
It reminds me when I draw in my books.
Okay, Ayansh, this World Environment Day, what do you think it is all about? What do you think the World Environment Day talks about?
To save the earth, just to say, you still have to save the earth in other type of days such as Sunday or Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday.
Oh, that is such an important point. You have to save the earth and think about the earth all days. But on World Environment Day,
The
the most. And there are 3 rules that we have to follow. 3 R's. Can you tell me what those 3 R's are?
Reduce, recycle, and reuse.
Reduce, recycle and reuse. Those are the 3 R's, which are the 3 mottos of the World Environment Day, and to save our Mother Earth. So, how do you reduce? So you can reduce by buying things which are more eco-friendly. Like for example, instead of a plastic bottle, buy something which comes in a glass bottle.
And instead of using hundreds of thousands of straws, I've seen all of you use hundreds of thousands of straws. You can just use one plastic straw.
One steel straw.
One steel straw.
Yes.
That's what I meant.
So instead of using so many straws,
Just use one.
just use one straw, and that is how you reduce your consumption.
Or you can just use 2 straws.
Yeah.
Because sometimes it gets rotten.
And then how do you reuse? You can, for example, you bought coffee. you want coffee, okay? In the coffee jar, when the coffee gets over, you can reuse it, and maybe you can put masala in it.
Such as we can use this juice bottle as and pencil holder. We can put our pencils inside and clean it.
And we can use that as a pencil holder. That's such a good idea, Ayansh. Now can you add some little bit brown on it, and add a little bit more Fevicol. So we'll add a little bit more Fevicol, and we'll add brown sand. Better blue ho gaya. Blue is enough. You can put some brown sand, please. Okay, wonderful. So we were on reduce and reuse. Which sand is this? This is usual clay sand which is available in the market for crafting purposes. If you don't have that, you can also use glitter. If you don't have glitter, you can also use the Rangila paint. That also has a beautiful blue glitter shade. So you can use that also for water.
Or if you don't have that either, you can just use normal clay.
Yeah, you can make a clay base also. That will also look very nice. Wonderful idea. I love it. Also, tell us recycle. So we were on the third part, which is recycle. Recycling, we can use anything which is available in our home. When we have used it, we can use it in another way. For example, Ayansh, would you like to show some examples?
Yeah.
Yay!
Such as we can use this
as what do you think we should use it as?
Okay, let me think.
Okay.
We can use this as a small little milk container. So all our rotten milk, we can put it in here and save it. So
We can use it as a magazine stand, maybe.
Yes, but also a rotten milk
Not rotten
stand.
Magazine stand.
Okay.
Okay, so we can use it as a magazine stand. Thank you. So you tell us, how do you?
Putting magazines in here.
Yeah.
And drawing a little magazine box here.
Yay, that's wonderful. Okay, now our sand is done. So we put blue sand and we put a little
Yay.
brown sand for a beach theme. Now, Ayansh, you want to wipe your hands, please? Wipe your hands. So recycling is when we use our existing material and then we use them in a creative way. Thank you so much for your likes. Yay! So you tell us, how do you reuse, recycle and reduce your waste at your house? How do you do that? I mean, in your homes and in your daily lives. We would love to see some comments from you all also. So meanwhile, we'll get started with the sun.
Yeah. We've already made all the clay characters over there. So in the end, we can stick them on and show it to you guys.
Yay! That also sounds amazing. So what also you can do is, when you're playing with clay at home, you can take an old packet and you can put that as your base, so that you don't spoil your table or your crafting or your cutting mat. Okay. So Ayansh, will you help us make a yellow sun, please? You can use this place for you to make the sun. Okay. Meanwhile, when Ayansh is making a sun,
Oh, can I tell them?
they are having so many likes. What do you want to tell
Can I
them?
tell them how to make a sun?
Yes, of course. Explain how to make a sun.
You can first make your yellow color as circling as this. Then afterwards, get your base, push it on your base, but don't push it so hard where it turns into a different shape. Make it look like this. And then, since it looks like a coin now, we just can give it a face if we want. And also, we also have to give it those streaks of lights, such as how the real sun looks.
So can we just use that only from here only? Can you just take out some and make the lights and make that very nicely explained? So when you are making any object, or when you are making sea creatures from clay, the most important thing to, hi Daman, how are you doing? So the first thing that you can think of is the shape of that particular creature. For example, let's say octopus. Octopus is what shape, Ayansh? The head of the octopus is what shape?
It's a circle.
It's circle. Perfect. So we can make
No, I meant oval.
oval. So we can make a circle and an oval shape. So we take our clay and we make it into a circle.
You can make any of those,
Oval.
whatever you want.
Yeah, a circlish ovalish shape. So here we have a oval shape for our octopus.
We want to use an oval shape.
Oval shape. And then we will we'll move to a crab. What do you think a crab is shaped like?
Okay,
It's
it's,
a little-
shaped like a circle, small thing.
Yeah, it's like shaped like a circle, small thing. And what about its claws?
Okay, its claws are shaped like two triangles above and a small little half-made circle below.
Okay, to make those things, I think we can use the base as a circle. So for the crab, we will make one circle which we have flattened out a little bit, and then we will make two. Better continue doing with that. We will make. You want some more yellow color?
Okay.
So we will make two small circles. We made one bigger circle and we made two small circles for the crab. Here we go. Here we go. Our crab is getting ready. Our crab is getting ready. Our craft is coming
Yay.
together.
The craft is coming together. Soon it's gonna be beautiful. Soon we're gonna stick it in our houses. Everybody stick it in your house.
Okay, the turtle, the top part of the turtle is a little ovalish. So we'll take two colors, light green and dark green, and we will make this into an oval shape. What happened? Use this mode one. Forget about that. We will make that into a oval shape. Hi Zenith. So we are talking about World Environment Day, and we're making this beautiful, nameplate with all the sea creatures. How do you think you talk about reuse, recycle, and reduce? How do you guys do that in your homes? Why don't you share us some ideas, some tips, so that we also learn from you all? So meanwhile, for the turtle, we make this as a oval shape.
I love everybody who love the earth.
Hi Aswari, hi Jayashri. Okay, so our oval shell is ready, and then what we'll do is we will take the green, the light green color, and the head is also a little roundish shape. So hi Hina. So we will make a small round out of it,
Yeah.
and we'll.
Learn something. By the way, if you're doing a tortoise and you're not able to see on Google how does it look, here you go.
Yes, he has a Mr. Shelley here. So we made another thing, and then we attach these two pieces together. So the body is coming together. Yay! We love your hearts and your likes. Thank you so much. So we'll take the other clay, and we'll flatten it. And we will also use a rolling pin. I'll use my pink rolling pin.
And I'll
to-
use my yellow
Yay!
pin, and I have to use it.
So we will roll it out and we will flatten it. Now a lot of you can use scissors, or you just cut the the hands and the legs with your hand. But I use old scissors. I reuse my old scissors and I make the hands and the legs.
Can you make me a small little smiley out of red?
Okay, baby.
Great.
Okay, so where are you now?
I'm still on Sana.
You're still on sun, no worries. So here we will make our long legs and feet, and we'll attach it to our turtle. I'm just cutting. I just took the clay. I flattened it out with my rolling pin. Hi Purnima, how are you doing today?
Hi everybody. I hope you all have a wonderful day.
And you know what, Anj? Even on the Fevicreate website, there are so many craft ideas which kids can use, and they can
Reuse.
yeah, they can reuse the material which is there at home, and they can make beautiful craft out of it, thereby reducing and recycling the waste of the entire house.
Can I tell you all something? We should start reusing like all the time, because the garbage place used to be a great place all animals come to, but they never came to it after everybody started throwing stuff in the garbage. And then they made that place as the new garbage center. They were so sad.
Okay, so thank you so much for the tips,
And
Ayansh.
it's bad for
So for the eyes, we'll take two little pieces of white clay, and we will roll them really tiny into small little eyes. Okay, so I'll show you. This is how
Since
my
my son is very big, I have to use these big.
So see how this is my turtle coming together, and now I'll take a pencil, or I can even take the brush, back side of the brush, and I can just make the shapes, the scale shapes on it, the shells.
Do you need some help?
No, beta, I'm good right now. I will ask for help if I need it. Thank you so much. So we're just drawing some shells on it, and then we are going to send it toward underwater. Yay! This is how it looks. So if you want help, this is how you can make the shell
You have to draw a
structure.
circle, then draw one here, then draw one here, then draw one here, then draw here, then draw one here, then draw one here, then draw one here, then draw one
Okay. Can we have your son, please, now? Now we have the black. So for the eyes, there's also a round shape. So what you do is you take rounds and you make tiny.
Yet?
Almost. Just 1 minute I'm making it. 1 minute. Please, I'm sorry. I was making this turtle.
It's okay.
Okay, thank you. So this is how our turtle is ready. See, such a cute little turtle is ready. And I'm going to send it on the ocean. I'm going to let it rest here. I can add a little Fevicol on top of this thing,
So it can
or the sand,
sleep.
and it can rest here.
Good
So our
night,
turtle is resting.
Tight.
Yay!
Good night, sleep tight. Mwah.
Hmm.
Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Can we have your son here?
Sure. But my son is almost ready actually.
Okay, so we will take our crab now. So our crab, the base is ready. We have our two small circles also which are ready. We'll just attach them here on top of it, and they'll become like this, like a 3-circle thing. Hi Kavita, how are you doing today? So what I was saying, that you can also take a cutter. So you need to make these triangle, right, for its claws. So you can take a cutter. This step, babies, you do it with the help of an adult, and you take them out. You make 2 small triangles and you take them
Mama?
out.
Some kids are only doing this, so can we take a little waiting while we are making our stuff and then show them when it's ready?
Yes, we can do that.
So the
So
kids can bring their mother.
So
and
we
father.
take that crab and we attach. How many legs does a crab have, Ayansh?
It has 6.
It has 6 legs. So how do we make the legs? We take a piece of clay and we roll it on our
Roll it.
palm, and you just turn it. Hi Kavita, how are you doing? We just turn it like this and it is ready. Yay! So
And
we
if you
attach
like
it.
that,
1 minute, baby. We attach it and then we add the eyes, and voila, our crab is ready. Our crab is also going in the ocean. With the help of a little Fevicol, it will stay. And it's gonna swim in our ocean. Yay!
Good night. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Good night. Can we have your son also here
Sure,
now?
but I just
Need a smile. Here is your smile ready for the sun. Yeah, the smile is ready for the sun also.
And now I can show you guys how my son looks.
So now we can take a. Okay, now we come to. Oh, so cute. Can we have the sun? We have the sun right on the top. Right on the top we have our sun. Beautiful it is looking. The sun is shining. And now we're coming to octopus. So octopus head is ready, and Ayansh is a master octopus builder.
I've already made 2 octopuses.
You have already made 2 octopus. You tell them the technique of how do you make this. You take this into small little pieces.
Then you roll it like this.
Here comes the head.
I actually want my octopus to have 2 legs, so I'm going to give it legs. This is how it's supposed to look. You're supposed to roll the head like so, and then stick it like this. Stick, and then stick it like this. This is not the legs.
Too cute, son. Thank you, Farrell. I'm glad you liked it.
I loved it.
So here are the octopus legs coming together. I'm giving the octopus some eyes also.
Hi.
Meanwhile, I will start on the fishes. Ayansh, what do you think a fish is shaped like?
Fishes are shaped like an oval thingy, such as we can make such as how we made a oval for the head.
No, we can make a fish into an oval. Can I make a pink fish?
Sure.
I think I can make a pink fish. It's going to look so cute.
Pink.
Okay, so we'll take a pink fish and we will use our clay to make this.
If I'm not sure, pink fishes are very rare, but people can find them.
Yeah, and you know what? Clay is such good for your motor skills because you know the child is using it. He's using his hands and his fingers to make something out of the clay. So it really helps in building the motor skills, and also it helps in the
Ways. So
eye and hand coordination. So that is also one way, which is.
I also know how it can help you. Some people, such as people who don't know how to make good bills that much, they actually go for creative jobs, such as clay making jobs or such as drawing jobs.
Can you
So they might make it look bad, but with clay, they can make their future bills look good.
Yeah. I know there's one good part about this Rangila clay is that it never hardens and it never
That's
dries.
great.
Hannah, imagine so how many times you can keep molding and keep reusing it and keep making wonderful craft out of it. And trust me, we have had so much clay in our house because we have 2 kids, and this is something which is really good quality. It doesn't stick to your hands so much. It doesn't dirty your hands. See how clean our hands are. We've been using it for such a long time.
By the way, if you haven't watched my mother's show, what are you doing? Because this is a great show.
Okay, so here is our fish ready. We made ovals and we attached it, and we attached a little fin to it. And how do you draw fins? Again, you can take the cutter. Okay, our cutter has a little clay, and you just press it like this. See how you press it? You just take the cutter and then you press. And our fish is also swimming.
In the sea.
Yay! So
Wait,
we have
one
more
second, can I do
creatures.
something on your sea?
Okay, so here is Ayansh's octopus also ready.
No, that isn't
See?
my octopus.
Oh, no, we are running out of image. This is our octopus which are ready. Hi Sharon, hi Ashwari. Thank you Sharon, thank you, you liked it.
I actually made a
Hi
I
Vinita.
made a small little hat for it. You want to see? I'm gonna give it its hat.
Wait a minute, beta. We can also make a small ducky.
Oh, I love duckies.
And what we can do is we can have some more green clay. We can have more
Look
green
at
clay.
it, fishy.
And yes, very nice. And can you round this blue one for your name, please? Just make it a little the long things. And just making the same things that he was making for the octopus for his name thing. So what I'm doing is I've just taken the green clay. Thank you, Jayashri. Thank you. You're liking it so much. You take the green clay and you roll it and you roll it and you roll it.
But trust me, it's better to save the earth than lights.
And you cut it into thin little strips. And here you cut it into thin little strips and you swirl it. You just swirl it. You just swirl it. And you have your sea leaves ready, and then you can just paste them here with Fevicol.
I know you guys are like, hey, remember Froglet? Are you making a frog? He told us that his family is actually taking a small midnight rest. So we cannot call one of his family members and put them on this.
See, such a simple oh, that's so nice. Such a simple technique, and you can make your sea grass. Just take it into simple strips and swirl it. And swirl it.
And if you
Yes,
guys,
hurry up, you're done.
and if you guys want, you can also use these for your own names.
Yay! Also, so we have a lot of animals which are ready now for our nameplate. What we are going to do is we're going to do the final thing now, which is making the name. And how do we do that? We just take this and we and we make it into really long stripes. Really long stripes.
So far, mine has been very long.
Wow.
It's like a giant.
We have taken it.
Da, da, da.
See how much is it ready? All our material, they are all on the sea. They are chilling on the
This
sea.
is actually fun.
Yeah, and then see, you take this and then you
I'm happy.
make it into a inverted
I'm getting
U,
some help with my this.
and you place it on your nameplate, and yeah, your A is ready. Similarly,
If you have something like a Y, you just have to make a line, then slant it like this, then make a small another line, then slant it on the other side. If you have a Y in the start of your name.
so another, yeah, very nice. So here is your A also ready. So A, Y, Ayansh is ready. Now I'm coming to Y.
Can I do Y?
Wow, please do Y. So I'm also doing another A.
Since after my Y, there's always an A for me.
So here is our A also ready. Another
This
A
is-
is
this
ready.
is my Y.
A, Y, A.
This is my Y ready.
Yay! A, Y, A. Can you have N? Ayansh, can you make N?
Yes.
I'll make S. So you do that. You do that. Hi Navya,
I
I'm
have
glad
my
you
N
like
ready.
it.
I have my N ready.
Hi Rishika, I'm glad you like it. So again, the long thing that we make, we curve it here, and whoa, the S is
Let
ready.
me go and make an H.
N is ready, and we're coming to our last letter, which is
You guys are so nice.
H. Thank
I've
you.
already made my H.
Thank you, Ayansh. You made it so nicely. Thank you so much. H, yeah, our H is also ready.
It's up in the sky with the sun.
Yeah. So
Show
here
to
is.
them. Show to them.
Show it. Ayansh, remember you made some bubbles. You want to put those bubbles here?
Yes, I remember. Can we have some? Can we have some more? Can we make just one?
If you don't have craft and you can use, yes, of course you can use glitter sheet, and we're going to paste now. Here we're pasting it right. The name along with everything. We're just pasting it. See, we're pasting everything along we go. We put a little Fevicol
Now we're
base.
gonna be pasting my name.
Yeah, we put a little Fevicol base and then we paste it all up.
There's a-
After that, I have a quick tip for you. After we do this, what we can do is you can take an old sanitizer spray bottle, and in the sanitizer spray bottle, you can mix half Fevicol and 1/4
Of Fevicol.
1/4 water. So half Fevicol and 2 parts Fevicol and 1 part water. And what you do is you can.
It's your own glue.
It makes your own glue. See, and we are recycling our old sanitizer bottle. So what you do is you just spray it on it.
So this is good for your health and good for the earth.
Yay! So we spray on it, and so that when we spray on it, there is a nice, beautiful shine which comes on your craft.
Yes, but
And also it sticks it together. So the sand you can add the spray.
but
Can
I
you want to
wanna
do
do
that?
that.
You,
Yes.
you do that. So on the spray you can spray it a couple of times more, so
It's not-
that you know
it's not working.
it'll work. You need a little strength for that. Yay,
Okay.
yay,
Oh,
yay.
so I'm just gonna use both my fingers since I'm not that strengthy. Oh, come on, it's working.
So here we are. Our nameplate is ready. We made another one and we'll show it to you. See here, our nameplate is
This
ready.
is my sister's one.
Yes, and what you can do is you can punch a hole and you can hang it up. I will suggest that you spray the Fevicol 3-4 times for the sand to set
One
in.
second.
And
I just wanted to get a small little mark from me.
okay.
Oh
And-
no, the Y is off. I repeat, the Y is off.
And then our nameplate is ready. So thank you so much for watching in.
You can also use a pencil.
Yay! Okay. So for more ideas and for all your pictures, I hope you enjoyed the show. And for all your pictures, you share it with us and you tag us at
Fevicreate.
Fevicreate.
To show the in the end. Yay! They're so happy. They're saying,
And be
"Good."
environment ambassadors and take care of the environment, reduce, reuse,
And
recycle
recycle.
and restore the earth so that we have a happy place to live in.
Yay. I
Thank
also
you.
have a small song for you before you leave. Reclaim the world.
Reclaim the
So
world.
that upon the rights that you have, just clean the world. Instead of using plastic bottles, you can just use one metal bottle. And instead of making the earth a bad place, you can clean it.
Great. Thank you so much. Bye bye.